just way better than video because 200 plus likes, 200 plus. What all happened this past year? In short, we'll be discussing the big moments or the big stories from this 2020. For me, was the day when MS Dhoni announced his retirement from international cricket. It was an era which ended, and we all knew it will be happening soon, but we were waiting for the finality that he might be seeing again. Firstly, he denied to play with the Fixing Associates. We can say that the best team in the modern day cricket, and so dominance of Mumbai Indians was the finest of all. 600 test wickets. Yes, you heard it right, 600 test wickets. I mean the only bowler to do so ever in the history of cricket, and he's been that kind of player. मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ, पल दो पल मेरी कहानी है. That was the song which he actually shared on his Insta handle. Dominance of Mumbai Indians just is the finest of all, and humongous 600 test. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and to the cricketing video. So a very happy new year to all of you. Though 2020 was a tough one for all of us, but now we are there in 2021, and here's wishing you all a very prosperous and a very happy new year to all of you. Wishing you all a very good year ahead. And I am at the terrace of my village, and you all be remembering that exactly 1 year ago I shot that video of IPL, that what will be going to happen in IPL, and that was the most successful video of our channel. So that is again a very good reason that I am here once again for all of you, hoping that this video also gets better and better, and its responses are very good. So, and also I am wearing the same black shirt that I wore that day. So I hope you all will give a very good response to this one also, because that was a just way better than video because 200 plus likes, 200 plus comments, and was just a amazing video. So let's now begin. So let's now discuss the whole 2020, that what all happened this past year. In short, we'll be discussing the big moments or the big stories from this 2020. So let's begin. So now the biggest moment of 2020 for me was the day when MS Dhoni announced his retirement from international cricket, and on 15th August. It was an era which ended, and we all knew it will be happening soon, but we were waiting for the finality that he might be seeing again. He might be getting a farewell match, but it didn't happen. MS Dhoni just shared a post on his Instagram, and many heartbroken, and especially for me, whom started watching, admiring cricket just because of Dhoni, and he was my favorite. I was expecting that we will be playing 2021 World Cup, but he announced, मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ, पल दो पल मेरी कहानी है. That was the song which he actually shared on his Insta handle, and MS Dhoni's retirement in 2020 was the most significant moment, not in 2020, but also from the world of cricket, Indian cricket. So at number 2, I am going with another story of a different kind, and Virat Kohli, Virat Run Machine Kohli, or Virat Ton Machine Kohli, that also we call him, for so many centuries in this 2020. Though it was a weird one, he played less matches and no century. So it's very shocking that Virat Kohli missed out century in this 2020, and he scored no century in this 2020, and it was a shocking one for me, because it's not that he didn't play any matches. He played in New Zealand, he played in Australia. Now he's in playing Australia. He played the whole IPL. So it's not that he didn't play anything. He looked in good form, but he missed out the century, guys, and it was a shocking one for me. And it was a weird year for Virat Kohli also. The last time it happened was the year 2008, and now it's happening indirectly to 2020. So now you can make the difference that how long it is and how valuable it is also. So that's the story number 2, that Virat Kohli misses the century in this 2020. Now the third story is regarding Mohammad Hafiz. Firstly, he denied to play with the fixing associates. You know, don't you? So and then he made his PSL team win the final, and the amount he shown in this 2020 was just way beyond good, and it was a very good year for Mohammad Hafiz. Even at this age, he is performing very good. So the third big news from 2020 was Mohammad Hafiz leading from the front. And now the story of Mumbai Indians. They made it to fifth time by winning the IPL trophy, and and also may become the most successful franchise in the history of T20. And starting by losing the opener against Chennai Super Kings, and then they just dominated every team. And the 2020 was a very good year for Mumbai Indians, because consecutively winning a title is very difficult. Only two teams did that. First was Chennai, and now it's Mumbai. Chennai did it in 2010 and 2011, and now it's Mumbai Indians, because defending a title is very difficult, and Mumbai Indians did it this year. Basically, I was thinking that Mumbai will not win this year, because according to the streak, they used to win every odd year, and this time also they broke that streak, because 2013, 2015, 2017, 2019 and now 2020, that's Mumbai Indians for you guys. And yeah, we can say that the best team in the modern day cricket, and so dominance of Mumbai Indians was the finest of all. So now the last story of this big moments is James Anderson, 600 test wickets. Yes, you heard it right, 600 test wickets. It's just amazing. I mean, the only bowler to do so ever in the history of cricket, and he's been that kind of player. So James Anderson is just phenomenal, and nobody's better than him in test. So well done, Jimmy. Go for it. And yes,
and the expression changes immediately. Number 600 for Jimmy Anderson. What a fantastic moment for Jimmy Anderson. All smiles now. It's been a long and frustrating.
so let's wind up this video, guys. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and share your stories, that which story you find it interesting. From according to me, MS Dhoni's retirement was a big shocking moment for me in 2020, and then the dominance of Mumbai Indians just is the finest of all, and humongous 600 test wickets of James Anderson is amazing. So guys, let's wind up this video. I hope you'll be giving this video also a very good response, like you did it last year in that video that was regarding IPL. So the target is very good, and I hope the expectations are high from me. So let's wind up, guys. Bye, take care.